Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code latest version on Ubuntu 25.04, but the process is on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, first verify whether we have the VS Code comes as the default application or not, or pre-installed application or not. VS, you don't have VS Code, so open any web browser, then go to code.visual studio. It is the official website, visualstudio.com. Hit enter. Then download this .debian package, or click on download, then click on this .debian package for Ubuntu operating systems. Click on it. Wait a moment, download. See, it download started. Its size is 99.3 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Go to terminal, then go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the Debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i code, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, the installer would like to add the Microsoft repository and signing key to update VS Code through apt. So select yes and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to show applications, then click on this right arrow. See, here we have the VS Code, or you can search here also. VS Code. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Okay, now open it. Just click on this application. See, we got the VS Code application. Let me close this one, or we can open by just typing code in the terminal. Hit enter. We'll also open the same application. See, we have the Visual Studio Code editor. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. This file is not recorded anymore. Remove it. Rm give code, give the tab, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install VS Code latest version on Ubuntu 25.04. As I told you, but the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.